No water lilies.
Wow.
I mean, we have a lot of water, but in a snow version.
I talked to him.
It's beautiful, huh?
It's beautiful.
the best. You're from Switzerland?
Oh. How long does it take? The lake?
Is it?
Where are you going then?
We were trying to get the lake to
The next station is the
Riffelberg.
Riffelberg.
Okay, maybe from there.
Riffelberg, 40 minutes.
40? 4 and a 0.
No.
14.
No,
14.
no.
14 Minuten.
4-0.
40.
Ja,
Oh, 40.
40 Minuten.
40.
Ah, 40.
Yeah.
Okay, 40.
Really?
That's a hell of an exercise. I love the view.
Yeah.
If you get your mind off how far is that, and you just focus on what you see.
Yeah. Then
You're not tired at all.
You
You
forget
forget
the
the time
way.
and you forget what you want.
Yeah, that's okay.
I really like it. I think this Matterhorn is even better than Peace Gloria.
Yeah.
Yes, true. I was there earlier.
It's a very
Yesterday I was there.
special mountain.
And the weather is not so nice, but today is so nice here.
I was there 2 days
And
ago.
yes,
Sorry, can you take one picture of me?
Yeah, of course.
You can recognize it
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
everywhere and everywhere.
It's even
I will take a
Of
picture
course.
of some.
this
Yeah.
1,000
Yeah, a lot.
meter höher.
Yeah.
Höher.
But when you look from the Italian side to the Matterhorn,
Yeah.
it looks like nothing.
Nice.
Yeah.
The Dolomiti.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh,
Thank
wow.
you. Thank you so much.
Can you take me?
Then maybe
Yeah, of
I
course,
should
of
go to
course.
Dolomiti.
Can you?
It's not good. Switzerland is the place to go.
I take several as well.
Okay.
It's really nice.
1, 2.
I do believe in if there's a lot of snow here. Probably May too.
Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I got some.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is ice there.
In Japan it's snowing as well sometimes, right? In Hokkaido?
Yeah, Hokkaido.
Oh. But in Tokyo not?
Feel it with the snow.
Sometimes.
Oh, because I will be in Tokyo in summer. I mean not summer, like September.
Was it so hot?
What?
It was so hot.
Hot there in September. Wow, just like in my country, I guess.
Yeah. Japan is so hot.
Now,
Not now.
but during summer.
Yeah.
Wow.
I really like Lucerne.
Yeah. It's okay.
How long have you been here in Switzerland?
Switzerland is
You have the mountains, you have
6
the lake.
days.
6 days. Oh,
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
a beautiful
I stayed
area.
Zermatt 2 days.
oh, Zermatt today.
Then
Yeah, but also it's a nice
I will
town.
go to the Montreux
Montreux.
Montreux
Huh.
today.
Oh, later after this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Unfortunately, flushing is
How
over.
about you?
This is just a day trip. I was from Lauterbrunnen, so I'll get back and tomorrow I'll go to this lake, but I'm not sure is it open or not. And I will go to Italy after this.
Italy.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
when will you get back to Japan?
After 1 week,
Oh, same.
after Switzerland, I will go to Netherlands.
Netherlands. Wow.
Yeah. Then Paris.
Paris.
Go to Japan.
Oh, then Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a wonderful trip.
Mr. Orban.
It is my first trip.
First trip.
Yeah, by myself, solo.
Same. This is solo trip as well. You know, I study everything. I look the train ticket. I bought the STP. You know, this is the first time, so I was like, yeah, that's why I try to mingle around with people. So I understand your situation. Yeah.
I don't know. What can I have your name?
I'm John.
John.
You?
I'm Momoko.
Momoko.
Yes.
It's very nice to meet you,
Nice to
Momoko.
meet you too.
Momoko.
John.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, have a nice day, yeah?
Thank you.
Schön, Sie kennenzulernen.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
He's from Hungary and you are from
Japan.
Japan.
Malaysia.
Ah,
I'm from Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
Yeah, then, okay.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Beautiful.
I don't even need to go to Nepal anymore.
Yeah, this is
For me, it's
beautiful.
far enough. I don't need to see like a higher than
Then this.
Matterhorn.
Makaputre isn't as impressive.
Yeah.
It looks very
In
much
this
like.
area, you have 34 mountains over 4,000 meters.
Oh,
Really?
wow.
Oh wow. So this is like these kind of peaks are like the highest in the Indian Alpen
In Switzerland.
in Switzerland, which is in Switzerland,
Yeah.
not in the Dolomiti or or
Dolomite.
Mont
Or the
Blanc
French side.
or Mont Blanc.
Mont Blanc is the highest.
Oh, highest one, Mont Blanc.
4,800 and
Yeah, true.
something.
Yeah, true.
Austria, no.
No,
Austria,
no
no.
4,000.
No, 4,000.
In Austria. no.
Austria. Germany, no.
Germany, yeah. Ungarn is flat.
In Nepal there is a mountain that looks like Matterhorn called Makaputre, but there are mountains left and right. You don't see it.
People ever tried like climb this one?
Oh yes, many people.
Many
My-
people
My,
died.
my
The
son-in-law.
first
Oh, wow. Really?
My son-in-law has been up there.
Really?
Yeah, 2 years ago.
864. One, also 80,
Okay.
64.
64.
The first ascent.
time
The
began.
first ascent.
Oh.
With nothing. With nothing.
With leather,
Like bare hands,
no,
not like
a rope,
security.
No,
a rope
one-
about
okay.
this big, a rope.
Wow.
7 went up, three came down, 4 died on the way
Oh,
down.
yes. I heard that a lot of people die over
4
there.
died on
Like
the way
sharpened
down.
like a shark teeth.
Yeah.
All
We
sides.
call it Grat.
Grat. Oh, Grat.
You go up this
This
side
part.
here, and then you go round the back, and you go across.
How long did it take to climb up to the top?
How?
How long?
Also,
Yeah, 4 or 5 hours.
extreme sporting people, they go in almost 3 hours.
I think Riet took 4.5.
Yeah. But the normal people, 5, 6 hours.
Yeah.
My
But the
son-in-law.
normal people is not me, I guess.
Okay, let's go and climb.
It killed many people here.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, so I
You
heard.
look in the town, in the churchyard.
Yeah, there is
All these
Graveyard.
graveyards.
Oh, of the
Died-
people. Of the people
Died
that
on
died.
Matterhorn,
Never found their
died on Breithorn, died on.
Probably they never found the bodies, right?
sometime,
Yeah.
yeah. Or later on,
Later.
Later on when
100
it's...
years later.
In summer sometimes, summer you maybe find.
So you
them.
analyze it by the
Not
teeth,
for
probably.
me.
Yeah, no, DNA now.
DNA.
But in summer, they only go in summer.